Welcome back. I created a resin moon in a previous video, and I am in love with this mold from onedaysaving.com. For this project, I thought I would try the Resin Waterdrop Effect in the mold. I will list all items I am using in the description box below. Let me know what you think about this project by clicking the thumbs up button and letting me know what your thoughts are in the comment box below. I will begin this project by gently adding UV resin dots all over my mold. To get some smaller size dots, I will use the end of one of my paintbrushes and randomly dab the UV resin in between the larger dots. Take your time and do not rush this step. I will now cure my UV resin with a UV lamp for 4 minutes. Because my mold is bigger than my lamp, I will need to cure the other side of my mold when this side is ready. Before I start the next step, I will use the end of my paintbrush to lightly tap the UV resin to ensure it is hard and that it has cured. Now it is time to brush on the pigment powder on top of the UV resin dots and the rest of the mold. I am using the Polar pigment color from the Stardust OMG kit that I got from the website mrscolorberry.com. This pigment color has a slight iridescent look to it that I think will work perfect for my resin moon. I am using a very small spoon to scoop some of the powder into my mold, and then I am using a paintbrush to spread it all over the mold. I am making sure I touch each of the resin dots and that I put some of the powder on the sides of the mold. Now it is time to add the resin. I mixed up equal parts of the Nick Pro resin I received for a previous project. I will add a small amount of the black acrylic paint into the resin, and I will mix it thoroughly until it is blended. Adding the resin into the mold is super easy. The one thing I do need to remember is that this mold has curved sides and not square sides. So I poured less than I thought I needed just to make sure I didn't overfill the mold. After I let the resin sit in the mold for a few minutes, I added some heat to help pop the bubbles. I will cover my project and I'll let it cure for 24 hours. Demolding this resin moon is super easy. I love how this turned out. The curved sides of this mold make all the difference in the final effect. The different sized UV resin drops turned out amazing, and the iridescent effect of the pigment powder is so cool. Let me know what you think about this project in the comment box below. Thank you for creating this project with me. I will see you in the next video.